I'm getting ready to do some front end work on the truck here, and I didn't have any stuff big enough, so I had gotten a yellow jacket 4-ton jack and needed some jack stands. So I got these here 6-ton jacks. It's 12,000 pound jack stands. And let me show you these things. They're pretty neat. All right, so what we got here, the jack stands themselves are nice and heavy. Latch is a little sticky, but it's brand new. And the posts here, they're stamped 6-ton, and they are big, heavy pieces. So this is 6-ton right there. Don't slam your fingers in there. So these go from roughly 15.5 up to 23 and 3/8 or something like that. And what you don't want to do, you want to keep the center of gravity of the jack as low as possible. So you don't necessarily want it jacked all the way up to the highest position. And they do have these secondary locks here that go in the side here. So no accidents there. And these things will last me a lifetime. I have some smaller ones, but they're nowhere near big enough for this truck.